Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 22nd, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from S&T Bancorp. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss S&T Bancorp's performance in the fourth quarter and full year of 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. S&T Bancorp reported a net income of $34.0 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, translating to an earnings per share of 89 cents. How does this compare to previous quarters, John?
In the third quarter of 2025, S&T Bancorp had a net income of $35 million with an EPS of 91. So there's a slight decrease quarter over quarter. However, compared to the fourth quarter of 2024, where the net income was $33.1 million and EPS was 0.86, there's a noticeable improvement. For the full year 2025, net income reached $134.2 million, up from $131.3 million in 2024, with EPS increasing from 3.41 to 3.49.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 89 cents for the fourth quarter, based on a survey of 3 analysts. How did S&T Bancorp's actual performance align with these expectations?
S&T Bancorp met the analysts' expectations precisely with an EPS of 89 cents for the fourth quarter. This alignment with forecasts indicates a stable performance and suggests that the company is effectively managing its financial operations to meet market expectations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. S&T Bancorp reported a net interest income growth of $1.8 million and a net interest margin expansion of 6 basis points. What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
The growth in net interest income and the expansion of the net interest margin to 3.99% from 3.93% in the previous quarter highlight S&T Bancorp's effective management of interest-earning assets and liabilities. Additionally, the increase in total portfolio loans by $91 million indicates strong lending activity. The new $100 million share repurchase program further underscores their commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
Asset quality and risk management. Asset quality is always a critical area to watch. S&T Bancorp reported higher net charge-offs of $11.0 million in the fourth quarter. How should investors interpret this?
The increase in net charge-offs, primarily related to non-performing asset resolutions, is a point of concern. However, the allowance for credit losses stands at $93.2 million, which is 1.15% of total portfolio loans, indicating that S&T Bancorp is maintaining a robust buffer to manage potential credit risks. Non-performing assets increased to $55.6 million, but they remain at a manageable level.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. Chris McComish, the CEO of S&T Bancorp, expressed pride in the company's strong performance. What strategic initiatives did he highlight for the future?
CEO Chris McComish emphasized the disciplined execution of their strategy and the momentum on key business drivers. He highlighted a people-forward approach and a purpose-driven culture as central to enabling sustainable growth. This focus aims to deliver value to shareholders while serving customers and communities with integrity.
Key takeaways. In summary, S&T Bancorp has delivered a solid performance for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025, with net income reaching $134.2 million and EPS at 3.49. The new $100 million share repurchase program and net interest margin expansion are positive indicators for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to discuss S&T Bancorp's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on S&T Bancorp's performance in the comments below.